Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M. Today we're going to learn how to find the value of composite functions. Go ahead and complete the intro activity first. Be sure to pause your video while you're doing it. Come back once you're done to check your answer. And the answer to this is that g of f of x. How did you get that? Let's take a look at the problem first. So it says if f circle g of x, by the way, that's how you pronounce, you say it properly. If f circle g of x is equivalent to f of g of x, then what is g circle f of x equivalent to? Right? So if you notice here, there are two ways in writing a composite function. One is using the circle and the bracket here. Right? They mean the same thing. Now, how did you figure this out? Take a look on this function. We're more familiar with this, right? Let's take a look here. The shortest way to figure out how to write it correctly is by looking at the x. Next to the x is g, right? And that will be your inner function. Which means f is your outside function. So you see that? That's your outside function. This is your inner function. In this case, f of x is your inner function. G is your outer function. Got it? Now let's go over with the model problem. It says if f and g are two functions defined by f of x is equal to x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 1, then f circle g of negative 5 is. So we have four options here. So there are two parts in this work. The first part is we need to substitute negative 5 to function of g. So let's copy that. G of x equals x squared minus 1. Right? And then again, we substitute negative 5 to x. So we are going to erase this and change that to negative 5. Right? We need to put parentheses around the x and change that to negative 5. Yeah? Equals, so negative 5 times negative 5 is 25 minus 1, and that's 24. Alright? We're not done yet. So that's the first part. The second part is, let's separate these two work. Second part is, again, whatever value that you found on this g of negative 5, you have to substitute it to f of x, which means we need to copy f of x equals x minus 3. Now, we need to erase the x and substitute what? 24, not negative 5, but 24, because this is a continuation. And then this must be inside the parentheses, 24 equals 24 minus 3 is 21. Right? And this is your final answer to f circle g of negative 5. This is your final answer. And that is option 4. Got it? Now it's your turn to practice. Go ahead and complete task 1. Be sure to pause your video while you're doing it. Come back once you're done to check your answer. And the answer to this is option 3. I hope you got that right. Now go ahead and complete task 2. Pause your video, come back once you're done. Welcome back. And the answer is positive 1. One more. Pause your video, come back to check your answer when you're done. And the answer to this is 2.45. I hope you got this right. This is a bit challenging. Hopefully you got this right. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below inside the description box for additional resources so that you can practice and learn more. Please take care of yourself and each other.